Today, we have an exciting Choose Your Gift challenge. Pick from green, gold, or purple gifts, and let's see what surprises await. Please subscribe for Cookie. Let's start. Choose your girlfriend. Love at first choice. Comment your crush. Choose your boyfriend. True vibes or true love. Which one is girl's crush? Choose your chair. Relax instantly. Choose your office. Work stylishly. Choose your bicycle. Fun outdoors. Go! Choose your task. Easy win or tough mission. Choose your mouse. Desk upgrade done. Watch till the end because the last gifts are most special. Choose your gaming room. Game on! Choose your bookshelf. Organize smart. Choose your wardrobe. Style unlocked. Choose your diamond ring. Add sparkle. Choose your perfume collection. Smell amazing. Choose your coffee machine. Mornings boosted. Choose your telescope. Explore the stars. Choose your aquarium. Underwater magic. Choose your barbecue set. Grill like a pro. Choose your pool. Splash time. Choose your swing. Fun in seconds. Choose your garden. Green dreams. Choose your smart TV. Entertainment maxed. Choose your piano. Make music. Choose your sneakers. Step out fresh. Choose your backpack. Carry with style. Choose your drone camera. Capture epic views. Choose your smartwatch. Stay stylish and on time. Choose your dress. First look, first wow. Choose your shoes. Walk with confidence. Choose your wedding dress. The big day magic. Choose your car. Luxury or speed. Choose your motorcycle. Ride the thrill. Choose your mobile phone. Life in your hands. Choose your laptop. Power meets performance. Choose your sofa. Comfort unlocked. Choose your mug. Sip happiness. Choose your bathtub. Relax like royalty. Choose your stairs. Step into style. Choose your headphones. World off, music on. Choose your slippers. Comfort at every step. Choose your socks. Small detail, big comfort. Choose your pillow. Sleep like a baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family for more exciting gifts and fun challenges. See you in the next video.